Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
As you all know, I am Hamza from Malikpura, Kasba. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. I am pursuing MA class from Ramlagan PG College, and I would like to thank our respected teacher and all my dear friends who gave me a golden opportunity to speak in front of you. Today I am going to speak about how am I learning English speaking. Firstly, maybe you know why am I learning here? What is English? English is a language, like all language. But nowadays, English is very highlight language in all country. So English is a very necessary in our life. English language is a necessary in our life. That's why. So I decided I will also learn. So I took admission and I came here. Whenever anyone spoke English, that time I always felt embarrassed. That time I was not able to speak English anything. So that time I always embarrassed. Means anyone spoke then like this. Nowadays when I took admission, then that times I am able to speak anything. So I want to say that everyone should learn English speaking from because this is a very good language. Because if anywhere you go, then you can use this language. This is language very means you can necessary our life. That's it. Thank you so much.